Evet, devirdik.
Idete si sednete što za vaše bezbednostne merke. So my name is Igor Simonov. Then we're going to finish with the tour at the same starting spot. As I mentioned, this one is going to Triumfalna kapija koja je izgrađena prošla godina i je od 21 metar, a u naša pozadina se nalazi i pozadina. And also, there is one of the
Ajde da se vozimo, da.
Sve su odinuvati, zato primjetu kolazija dođe do zemljice se u Evropskom području. Prve zemljice su od 6. veka naše prve do 16. Actually, that is the sweat of this soldier that had the huge battle. Znači, vodno znači vode, nešto prosligo. And now we are approaching the Kliment Ohridski Boulevard. Kliment is from Ohrid, 1939. godina, znači pred Vtorata svjetska vojna i broj negdje okolo 600.000 žitelji. So in Macedonia, total numbers is 2 million inhabitants, so which means that 1/3 of the total size of the inhabitants live in Skopje. Znači, of Kopnovom first stop in records, music records, and that's why it has this name. Сега от левия desna strana vidite ulica Makedonija, koja što of soldier to the left side as we go so this area is mostly built after the 1860. I mentioned last earthquake because there were two other earthquakes before there was one in the 20th century. Znači, svijet povoljno je brojne zgrade su izgradjene u periode posle izgrada. So after each earthquake, the city Skopje rebuilds again. That's why the Phoenix is a protection sign of the city Skopje. Zato je Phoenix je turistički smooth alphabet, which is called Herolic alphabet. It used to have 38 letters, and through the years that went up short to 40.
Edo, ajde, Edo. Ajde,
Da, Kuba. I to. Ispravi samo. Ispravi majstor.